Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Shubhangi and you're watching Glam, Mermaid. Welcome back to another exciting video, and today's video will be a haul video. It will be the Nyka's Hot Pink sale haul. So this time I have shopped quite a lot of products. You can see, wow, I have so much of stuff and I have not opened any of the parcel and I'll unbox it with you. So keep watching this video to know all the things I got from Nyka's Hot Pink sale. And Nyka's Hot Pink sale is one of the most beneficial and बहुत ही ज़्यादा discount रहता है वहाँ पे, like a lot of discount you will get, like 50% off, buy one get one free and lot more. I have just listed and wishlisted all the stuff I need to get from past few months and I've got all the stuff now at a very good discount. So Nykaa give this kind of sale twice a year. One is the Hot Pink sale which occurs during the end of July, and another one is the Nyka's Black Friday sale which occurs during the Black Friday. So these two are the biggest sale from Nykaa. So now let's see what's inside this parcel. I'm very excited for that. So let's begin with the video. So first I'll open this parcel. It is already damaged. Nykaa, what is this? It's not Nykaa's fault. I think the delivery agent or maybe some issue. So what is this? It comes with this bubble wrap, which is good and bad at the same time. It's good for the, like, it doesn't get destroyed, the product doesn't get destroyed, but it's bad for the nature. Plastic. I think they should introduce any alternative and not use those plastic. Okay, this is, I think it is highlighter. It's the Swiss Beauty's Fusion highlighter and the shade is, let me open. Yeah, it's in the shade 05. So this is a very good shade. It's a mercury color and it will look so pretty on all the skin tone. So this is the first product I got and all the prices and links will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. इसमें और कुछ नहीं है, only one product was there. So now let's unbox this. I'm very excited for this because, okay, let's open and then say. Oh. See this packaging. This is good. This is eco-friendly. I think Nykaa, you should just completely stop using this packaging, and this is really good. You are taking a good initiative towards the environment. Okay, this is the K Beauty's hydrating foundation. Let's open. I wish the shade matches me because it's very expensive. The shade I got is 145N medium. I think it will match me. This is the foundation. This is the K Beauty foundation, hydrating foundation. And let me say about my skin type. So generally I have normal to dry skin type, but during winter it becomes very dry, but during summer it's normal. Yeah, during summer I am very good, having a very good skin type, but winter के time में तो मेरा skin it becomes very dry. It has a pump applicator which makes it very handy and chaos नहीं हो जाता है, हर जगह फैल नहीं जाता है. Yeah, it will match my skin, I feel like. It has a yellow undertone which is good for the olive skin type, olive skin tone. The next product we have is the Mom's Co's Under Eye Cream. I've heard really good reviews about this cream. I can't give a review about it now. I have to use it and I'll update you in the later videos. I hope it works. It is a natural Vita rich under eye cream and it has coffee oil, vitamin E and B3. And it claims it reduces dark circle, puffiness and fine lines. Let's see if it works or not. So next we have the main thing. I'm very excited. Santana! This. Okay, guess करो क्या है ये? Idea? Any idea? This is a hair straightener. This is very special for me because this is my first hair straightener. And this is the Philips Kerashine hair straightener, and it is, the variant name is BHS 738. Let's open it. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, all the features are written here. So, and it also has 2 years warranty, which is really good. Let's open this. I have not straightened my hair ever. मुझे बहुत डर लगता है वो heat देने से. So this is the straightener. Let me check how to use it and then I will update you about it. And I'm thinking to make a detailed video about it. So let's see. This is a special product. My first straightener. Yay. So my birthday is coming and this is a gift for my birthday. So now let's move to the next item. So next we have this. This is the Swiss Beauty's liquid concealer. मैं पहले भी ले चुकी हूँ ये वाला concealer, but I got the wrong shade, so I ordered it again in a different shade. Let's hope this matches me at least. Otherwise ये भी मुझे दे देना पड़ेगा किसी को. Again I got the wrong shade. What यार? But I think I can use it. But at least it has a yellow hint to it. Let's see if I can manage it or not. By the way, okay, I didn't say the shade. This is in the shade 06 Clairvoyant. If you are 2-3 shades lighter than my skin tone, then this concealer will be a perfect match for you. But if you are darker than me, then this concealer won't, like this shade, particular shade won't match you. You can go for the shade, most probably it's 01 Sand Settle, something like that. That is the darkest shade and that will go to all the skin tone, like dusky beauties. But this, I don't know, I think I will manage it. Otherwise, ये भी गया. This is the next box and this is the last box. Yeah. So here is this parcel. So let me tell you, this parcel I have actually unboxed before because it came a little early and I got those 2 parcels late, but I haven't used anything. Okay, the first thing from this box is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer, and it is a 100 ml makeup fixer. This is how the bottle looks from inside. Let's spray. It feels fresh. As a first impression, it feels really nice and it doesn't feel the matte thing, okay? It is somewhat normal to dewy finish thing. It is not matte at all, but it is normal. It sets the face and gives a nice sheen to the face, which is good. So next we have the Swiss Beauty Highlighting Primer, and I'm in the shade 01 Natural Tint. But I think I ordered the golden tint one because everything I order in golden. Because I am in the golden undertone, so that's why. So this is how the product looks from inside. It is quite a lot of product actually. Let's see. So it is a very nice illuminator actually. It's an illuminating primer and it's good for those wedding function, for special parties to look that glam diva. I liked it. Yeah, I can tell from now only it's going to be one of my favorite thing. Yeah, because I like anything which is dewy, glam and all of that sort of thing. So now the next product is lipstick. So this is the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick and it's in the shade Guwa Hottie. So this is the packaging and let's open this. This is a nice, very nice brick red sort of color. It's a unique shade actually. Oh, it's a very nice shade and it will look good on all the skin tone because it's have some sort of rusty tint to it, and it's a mixed color. It has some hint of red, brown, orange, brick, and it's a perfect combination. It will look good on all the beautiful skin tone of our country. Next product is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Intense Gel Kajal. This is the product. One side you get the kajal, and on the other side you get a smudger. This kind of thing is very handy for doing smoky eyes because in one pencil only you get like you will draw the line and you can smudge it out and get the smoky beautiful look for any party. Next and last product of the haul is here, and no, sorry, there are two more products and both are lipsticks. So one is I bought it and the other one is free. So let's show the one which I got. This is the Maybelline New York lipstick and it's in the shade, these are the matte creams from Maybelline and it is in the shade 656 Clay Crush. This is a very beautiful shade, but one thing, it won't look good on all the skin tone. It won't match. I think it won't go with my skin tone also. It's beautiful if you have lighter skin tone, whitish skin tone. It will look very pretty. If you want to wear this kind of lipstick and if you are on the duskier skin tones like mine, you can just apply this lipstick and top it up with the dark brown lip liner, then it will look very good. But as it is, it will wash you out if you are my skin tone or darker than me. So now the last product, and this is a free gift because I think there was a offer going like buy two get one free or buy for rupees this and you will get a lipstick free, anything like that. So I got it as free gift. And this is the Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Lipstick and the shade I got is Wine Rudge. This is a wine shade, a proper wine shade. The shade I got is very pretty. I liked it very much. Very nice, and this shade will look good on all the skin tones out there. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have any of this product or what you think about this product. And we'll meet very soon with another exciting video very soon. So stay tuned for that. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.